Yo, top of the morning to you. My name's Jordan Johnson. It's my YouTube channel, formerly known as J3 TV. Just going personal now, baby. Just making it about me. There's a lot going on out here this morning on the Ponderosa. Before I get ready to take off to Nebraska, I'm going back to Nebraska for about 5 days. I plan on getting some interesting documentation of it for this vlog. These horses over there, got one horse, one like donkey. They were chasing some llamas. And I actually got the drone up and I chased the llamas out of here. Check out this footage. It snowed a little bit last night and all this snow is just glistening everywhere around here. So I'm gonna do more B-roll type stuff in my vlog here. That grass over there is pretty cool. Heading back to Nebraska, and it's gonna be a whole lot of shenanigans going on out there. So hopefully we got nice weather and all that to do some work. Check you on the flip. Peace. Keep you up to par on the story behind all this operation out here. That's how Dad's been doing it for years. You know, this time of year all the cows start showing some heaviness. Call them heavies, the one that are ready to pop out a baby any day. Gather them up little bits at a time, about every 10 days or so. Bring them back. Put them through the krill, sort them, pick off the heavy ones that are about ready to calve any day. Then we have to run them back. So the last 2 days have been pretty full of just riding all day, which is pretty easy work. It's a little sore on the old ace, but other than that, it's pretty easy work. And we'll bring the ones that are just days away, hours away from calving. Put them up in this little pen right west of the house behind the trees, as you can see here. And then we built a bunkhouse here like in 2009. And this front window right here, Dad looks out with a spotlight sometimes, and then he'll get up and walk through them at night. I've done it a couple times in the past, but this enables us to view what's going on out there, and then there's a yardlet right here. There's a nice cozy bed right there, kind of just sleep, not have to get up and walk, just look out the window, go back to bed. Like when Dad's working out here, he has nothing else going on. There's no job you got to go to in town. When you're out here, you're out here. So yeah, this week when I'm back, it's just gonna be a little bit of that kind of a process. It's the calving process on the Johnson Rodeo Ranch. Old son, check you on the flip. So in the midst of everything, all this work, I find time to break away and film all the other farm animals, like a couple ducks and chickens up here. Ain't that right, fellas? Who's for breakfast? Who's for lunch? And who's for dinner? Yes. Yes.